The Rabbit and the Tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit and a tortoise. They were good friends. They used to meet and play every day. The rabbit always boasted that he could run faster than the tortoise. So they decided to have a race. They chose a starting and finishing point. The rabbit ran really fast and soon left the tortoise far behind. He thought that the tortoise is too slow and he can rest for a while. So he stopped under a tree and went to sleep. Meanwhile, Tortoise kept walking the whole time and reached the winning point. When the rabbit woke up, he saw that Tortoise has already won the race. Slow and steady wins the race.